Hello.
Okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children, good morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning. Sorry for the
Ma'am.
disturbance. There was a problem with the system with the headset. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now it's okay. No, now I'm starting a new lesson. I'm starting a new lesson, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now it is our new lesson. Okay. New lesson, chapter 3, playing with the numbers. I have given in the chat box, isn't it? Isn't it? Okay. So now I will share the screen. It's a new lesson.
Ma'am, you told it to test, right? Yes.
Okay, children, chapter 3, playing with the numbers.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you said you will take test.
1 minute, children. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. Chapter 3, playing with the numbers.
Ma'am.
Yes. 1 minute, children, 1 minute. See, I told you that I will take a class test, right?
ma'am.
Okay. Sometimes, not today or tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll take this class test in Google Classroom. Okay, children? So I'll give the necessary instructions for you. And Google Classroom, what happens is, you like chat box, one link I will send. Not, I'll give the instructions. I will give the instructions. So before that, you don't ask me. So sometimes today or day after tomorrow, it is a trial. Okay, so I'll send the link to you. So you will be in my classroom. When you click the link, you automatically join into my classroom, and I will send question paper to you. Clear, children? So you have to write the answer and send the photo to me. I'll correct and give the mark. Francis Richard, are you sleeping?
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
children. So
Okay,
I'll
ma'am.
give the necessary instructions. It is a trial. Let me try. Okay. Okay, children. You have to take a photo. First of all, you have to come click the link. I'll give in the chat box. So click the link and you will be in my classroom, in my list. Okay, children, how many children are there? All the children in your class will be in my classroom. So I will send that question paper to you through Zoom. So you at house, you can write the answer and send to me. Send to me through this, take a photo and send to me through this Google Classroom. So I can correct it and give the mark to you. Clear, children?
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So I'll give the necessary instructions. Before that, you don't ask me. Okay. Okay, children, let me try. It is a trial. Sometimes there may be mistakes. Sometimes you cannot come or I cannot join. What a lot of things will happen. Okay, children. So it is a trial. On a trial basis, I'll do it. So maybe today, tomorrow, or within 2 days. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
So everybody is ready, no?
Yes,
Today I
ma'am.
told that there is class test. So all of you are ready, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. So it is chapter 3, playing with the numbers. Okay, children. So playing with the numbers. Playing with the numbers. See, children, let me give some examples. First, our topic is factors and multiples. Okay. First of all, I am taking about factors and multiples. Factors. Factors. This is our small topic, factors. Okay, children. See, I have 6 beads. Okay, I have 6 beads. Suppose I have 6 beads.
Okay, ma'am.
6 beads. Beads mean, you know what is beads?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I have 6 beads. So what will happen is I will arrange it in each in one row. Each one each. One marble in a row. One marble. Sorry. Marbles. I'll write it as marbles. Okay. One marble in a row. So how can I arrange it? One marble in a row.
Ma'am, by line.
Number of rows. Number of rows equal to 6.
6.
6.
Okay. And like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
So, total marbles. How many marbles are there?
6.
1 into 6 equal to 6. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
One column and one column into row. First one is column. One column and 6 rows. 6 rows. Clear? Second one, same 6 marbles. 2 marbles in each row. 2 marbles in each row. 2 marbles in each row. Two marbles in each row. Okay, so number of rows. 2 marbles in each row means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many rows?
3 rows.
Number of rows?
3.
3. Number of rows? 3. Okay. So total number of total marbles, how will you find out? Look at
3
here.
into 2.
Yes?
Column
2, 3 into
2.
3 into 2 equal to 6. Clear? Again, third one. 3 marbles in each row. 3 marbles in each row. 3 marbles in each row. Okay. So how will you find it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, children. So So total number of rows.
2.
Number of rows. How many rows? Rows are the horizontal one. 2. 2. Rows. Horizontal is rows. This is column. Okay. So total marbles. Total marbles equal to
2 into
2 into 3 equal to 6. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we got like this. 6 equal to 1 into 6. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Again 6 equal to 2 into 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Then 6 equal to 3 into 2.
Yes.
Then 6 equal to 6 into 1.
Ma'am, we have tried this.
Don't write any heading. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, here, if there are 7 marbles, 1 marble will be left out, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
1 marble will be left out. So, here, did you see this 6? How many times we wrote 6? See, children?
4 times.
1, 6, 2, 3, 3, 2, and 6, 1. Okay? Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
So, we can say that 2 and 3, 1 minute, 1, 2, 3, and 6. 6 are divisors, exact divisors of 6. Clear, children? Exact divisors. That means there will not be any reminder. Clear? Okay. So 1, 2, 3, and 6 are, no need of writing anything, exact divisors of 6. Exact divisors of 6. So they are called factors. Clear, children? They are called factors. Okay?
Ma'am.
They are called factors. So, will you tell this 4 is 4 a factor of 6?
No.
Is 4 a factor of 6?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Is 5 a factor of 6?
No, ma'am.
No. Why? Because when we divide 5 and with 6, there will be one remainder. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
But when you divide 6 by 2, there will not be any remainder. Remainder is
0.
0. Same. When you divide 6 by 3, the remainder will not be there. The remainder is
0.
0. Okay. So,
ma'am.
it is known as factors. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
So, I'll give a note for this. Write the heading. Factors. Factors. A factor of a number. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. The definition is important. You have studied that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Example. Okay. 6 divided by 1. 6 times 6 here. 0. 6 divided by 2. 3, 6, 0. 6 divided by 3. 2, 6, 0. 6 divided by 6. 1, 6, 0. In all these cases, remainder is 0. 0. That is 1, 2, 3, and 6 are exact divisors. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, and 6 are factors of 6. So, we will get 1 into 6 equal to 6. 2 into 3 equal to 6. 3 into 2 equal to 6. 6 into 1 equal to 6.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Did you understand what is a factor?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I finished writing.
Yes. Okay.
No, ma'am. 1
Okay,
minute.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, children. Next one is next. After factor, both are connected. Multiples. We will study about multiples. So, in this chapter, we are learning LCM and HCF.
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
children, so LCM you already learned how to find the division method. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, these two chapters are connected, this fraction and this playing with the numbers. So, next topic is, it is multiples. Okay. So, multiples. multiples. Multiples.
Should we write this multiples?
Yes, yes. Did you write?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah. Okay, children. See, when we write 6 equal to 2 into 3, you know this. 6 is 2 into 3. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In this, 6 is called multiple. 6 is called multiple of 2 or
3.
multiple of
3.
3. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So, multiple is, 1 minute. This is the definition. Multiple is,
Ma'am, this should be written in the notes.
right. Multiple, 1 minute. A number is a, write like this. A number is a multiple of, a number is a multiple of each of its factors. Each of its factors. Each of its factors. A number is a multiple of each of its factors. Clear, children? So, in the multiplication table, hello? In the multiplication table, 1 into 10 equal to 10. 2 into 5 equal to 10. 5 into 2. 5 into 2 equal to 10. And 10 into 1 equal to 10. Okay. In this 1, 2, 5, 10 are called
Multiple.
1, 2, 5 and 10 are called
Multiple of
factors. These are factors. Okay. So when you multiply the factors, you will get the multiple. Clear, children? One more example.
How do you write that?
20, no need of writing. 24 equal to 12 into 2. Can you identify the factors and multiple? It's multiple.
Yes, ma'am.
Which are the factors?
12 and 2.
Yes. Which are the factors, children?
12.
12 and 2. 12 and 2 are the factors. And the answer of its multiple product, no. Answer of its multiplication. That process is known as multiple. Okay, so each of your table, the answer of your multiplication table, right side equal to, after that which number comes, it is known as multiple. 5 into 6 equal to 30. In that, 5 into 6 equal to 30. 5 into 6 is 30, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In that, 5 and 6 are called factors. What is 30? Multiple. Okay. So did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we should write this.
Okay. Example. Multiples of
24.
right. This you write. This. Example.
Ma'am, should we write that 24 into
Yes. Write the first 5 multiples of 3.
Ma'am, can you scroll a bit up the other two sentences? Ma'am, now you can do.
Okay. Write the first 5 multiples. Write the first 5 multiples. How will you write? 1 into 3 equal to 3. 2 into 3 equal to 6.
Ma'am, can we write like
Yes, 3 into 3 equal to 9. 4 into 3 equal to 12. 5 into 3 equal to 15. In this, which are the multiples?
3,
3, 6,
6,
9, 12, 12, 15.
Okay. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 are the multiples of 3. First 5 multiples of the 3. First 5. Lot of multiples are there, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Is
Yes,
there
ma'am.
any end for the multiples?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Is there any end for the multiples? Because 1 into 3, we are multiplying 3 with all the natural numbers. Clear? 1 into 3, 2 into 3, 4, 3 into 3, 4 into 3, 5 into 3, 6 into 3, 7 into 3. Is there end for the natural numbers?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So, is there any end for the multiples?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. So there is no end. That is why we wrote in the question that write the first 5 multiples of 3.
3.
Okay? Okay, children?
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is there any end for multiples?
No, ma'am.
Multiples are endless. Why we got multiples are endless?
Ma'am, because we are multiplying all the natural
Multiplying
numbers.
the number with the natural numbers. Since natural numbers are endless, multiples also endless. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
The multiples. So we have one more period, right, children?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. No period.
No, ma'am.
So children, I will. There are some factors, some facts about the factors and multiples. Some notes. I'll send it. I'll send it
Can
now.
you share the code once again?
Yes.
Ma'am, finish.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, children.
Thank you.
Okay. Shall I leave now? I'll
Yes,
send
ma'am.
the
Yes,
notes
ma'am.
now. Okay, children. So about the class, I'll give some informations. Okay. Afterwards, you ask me. Okay. In between, sometimes if let me also try for it. Let me also study each and everything. Afterwards, I'll give you the class test.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Did not decide it yet, but sometimes I'll take a usual class test. Sometimes in the Google Classroom. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.